Hello everyone, this is the introduction video of Laravel controllers. So what is Laravel controllers are? Basically controllers are meant to group your associated request handling logic within a single class. In previously, we wrote our all logics in these closure functions that we created in our routes, right? But this is not a good way to code. Laravel is a MVC framework, right? So in MVC, C stands for controllers. So as I said, controller will be responsible for our request handling logics. So we will place all our logics in our controller, right? In Laravel, you can place your controllers in app http controllers. You can see here is a folder. We will create all our controller class in these controllers. In future videos we will learn how can we just move our all logics from routes to controllers. Just imagine you have a big function, right? You are handling many logics and everything. You just can put that big chunk of code in your routes. Basically routes are only meant for routing your applications. I know our code is working totally fine, but this is not a good practice to put your logics in your route functions. So from the next video we'll learn how can we create controllers, how to place these logics in the controllers, how can we return view from controller, and many things.